Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a Valentine's Day card using this new die set from Maker's Movement. It's called Simple Heart Shaker Die Set. There's a sample on the back of different things you can do. I'm not going to use it as a shaker today, but I probably will another time. And then I'm also going to be using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. It's called Buffalo Plaid Square. It's TCW 955, and this is the 6x6 one, and it also comes in a 12x12. I've already used it, so it's kind of inky right now, but to get started, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a red piece of cardstock here, and then I'm going to create a pattern going down this using some VersaFine Clair and Nocturne, and then also a ink dauber, or yeah, I guess that's what it's called. This is an ink dauber. This one's by scrapbook.com. Has black ink. You pretty much can use any different kind that you have. This is just the one that I have on hand right now. And then I'm just going to go down the card like this, or the cardstock, creating that pattern. And just to give you an idea, I don't have to go the full width because I'm going to do these hearts. So I just need the heart to fit on there. So I'm just going to do like the center. And so I don't bore you to death, I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, so there it is. I overlapped in the middle, which I did not mean to do, but I don't think that'll be a problem. Okay, so now next, taking this heart, which is the outer frame one. The other one is like a double frame kind of thing, but this will be a solid heart. So this is the one I want to use, and I am going to cut it out 4 times out of here. Okay, so I got all of the hearts cut out. So cute little plaid hearts. And then using my Maker's Movement, this is their SLIMLINE Essentials. I use these 2 dies, these 2 right here, to cut out. First, my card base is, what is it? It's 8.5 by 7 by 7, yes. So then folded in half, it would be 3.5 by 8.5. So that would be that, and then there's an extra piece when you cut it from an 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So when you cut it down, you get an extra piece, and that is where I got this from. And then I use this die to cut that piece, and then out of red cardstock, I used for this to get that stitching around the edge. And now I'm just going to adhere this to the front of my card base using my Xyron Mega Runner here. Like that. So I think about like that is how I'm going to arrange the hearts. The 2 back ones, or the ones that are behind, I guess you want to say, I could say. I'm going to do flat. And these ones, I'm going to add some foam dots to the back of to raise them up. And then I cut the letters out here, the white cardstock. And then I'm just going to run those through my Xyron Create a Sticker. And there it is, a cute plaid Valentine's love card. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw. See you next time. Bye-bye.